In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use MetaMask in 2025. Whether you're a newcomer or just brushing up on your skills, you'll find that MetaMask is an incredibly versatile tool that simplifies your interaction with the Web3 world. This video will guide you through opening MetaMask, switching networks, viewing and managing your tokens, and utilizing the essential features like buying, swapping, and bridging cryptocurrencies, all while connecting with your favorite decentralized applications, or dApps. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your MetaMask extension on your web browser. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to set up your MetaMask wallet first by downloading the extension and securely storing your seed phrase. Once opened, you'll notice that MetaMask is visually intuitive, offering a sleek interface that makes navigating the complex realms of crypto much easier. Now, once you've opened MetaMask, it's crucial to ensure you're on the correct network for your activities. You can do this by looking at the top of the extension where the network dropdown is located. MetaMask supports multiple networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and others by default, but keep in mind that each dApp might be based on a specific network. If you need to switch networks, simply click the dropdown and select the one you need, or add a new one using the network settings if it's not readily available. Next, let's explore your token holdings. By default, MetaMask will show you a list of popular tokens. If you have a token that's not displayed, don't worry, you can add it manually. To add a custom token, click on the Import Tokens button at the bottom of the asset list and enter the token contract address. This way, you always have a clear overview of all your assets in one place. Connecting to a dApp is one of MetaMask's standout features. Simply navigate to your desired dApp and look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the site's header or menu. Give the site permission to access your MetaMask, and you'll be seamlessly connected, allowing you to transact directly within the dApp environment. MetaMask also acts as a crypto marketplace and exchange, thanks to tools like buy, swap, and bridge. If you want to purchase cryptocurrencies, use the buy function, selecting the payment method that suits you best. The swap feature enables you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another without leaving the wallet, while the bridge tool helps you transfer assets across different blockchain networks efficiently. And there you have it. MetaMask is your all-in-one crypto dashboard designed to give you full control over your digital assets and interactions in the decentralized world. With these steps, you're now equipped to explore and thrive in the exciting realm of Web3.